Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how Hollywood creates those incredible scenes? Think about the epic battles in Avengers, the beautiful world of Avatar, or the lightsaber fights in Star Wars. It's not just amazing acting or direction that makes these possible. Behind every shot, there's cutting-edge technology. CGI, VFX, motion capture, artificial intelligence, and practical effects. In today's video, we'll explore how each technology works and how it brings these imaginary worlds to life. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about CGI, computer-generated imagery. If you've watched Avengers, Avatar, or Star Wars, you've seen entire characters and worlds created digitally. CGI allows filmmakers to bring imagination to life. For example, Thanos, every single expression, reaction, and movement is CGI. Avatar's Pandora is fully digital, with strange creatures, glowing forests, and alien environments. Then there's VFX, visual effects. VFX blends real footage with CGI to make everything look realistic. Think of Hulk smashing through cities or Doctor Strange bending reality. Without VFX, these scenes wouldn't feel believable. The combination of CGI and VFX is the heart of Hollywood blockbusters. Hundreds of artists work on a single scene, creating every particle, explosion, and detail digitally. You might wonder, how does it work, and why is it so important? Motion capture records an actor's movements, expressions, and gestures, and transfers them to a digital character. Take Gollum from Lord of the Rings. He's completely CGI, but every action and facial expression comes from Andy Serkis's performance. Andy wore a special suit with sensors and markers, capturing even tiny movements, eye twitches, breathing, and finger gestures. This data is then applied to the digital character, making it appear alive on screen. MoCap isn't just for characters, it's also used for stunt sequences, crowd scenes, and facial expressions. For instance, Caesar in Planet of the Apes moves exactly like Andy Serkis performed. Even Hulk in Avengers relies on MoCap. Mark Ruffalo's expressions were mapped to Hulk's giant green body, keeping the character emotional and believable. Today, motion capture has advanced further, capturing subtle facial movements with AI. Now let's dive into AI and simulation. These technologies make movies more realistic and visually stunning. AI is used for facial expressions, voice modeling, and even deepfake effects. It can bring characters to life or even recreate actors digitally. Simulation handles physics-based effects, explosions, fire, smoke, water, and massive crowds. For example, in Fast and Furious, every explosion, fireball, and debris is carefully simulated to follow realistic physics. AI also helps create crowd scenes. Instead of filming thousands of extras, AI can simulate each person's movement, making it look real. In Avengers, these tools create epic battle scenes, combining explosions, debris, fire, and digital characters seamlessly. Simulation isn't just for big action. It also creates subtle details, like facial micro-movements, flying fabric, or magical effects. Think of Doctor Strange's city-bending scenes. Entire cities folding are generated using AI and physics simulation. AI is also being used to recreate deceased actors or de-age actors. In Star Wars, Peter Cushing's character was recreated digitally. This preserves the story and the emotional connection for the audience. Next, let's talk about practical effects and props. Not everything in Hollywood is digital. Real props, mechanical effects and stunts are crucial for realism. Take Indiana Jones. Traps, snakes and helicopter chases were done using real props and mechanical effects. Every stunt is carefully choreographed with safety in mind. Jurassic Park used robotic dinosaurs. At first glance, they might seem CGI, but many are real animatronic props. This combination makes the scenes feel alive and believable. Practical effects aren't just for creatures. They're used for building destruction, car crashes and explosions. They give audiences the feeling that it's actually happening. Now, let's look at the future of Hollywood technology. LED walls and virtual production are changing the way movies are shot. In The Mandalorian, the entire background was created using LED walls, letting actors perform in realistic lighting and environments. Real-time rendering allows directors and actors to see changes instantly, which is a game-changer for VR and immersive films. AI is becoming powerful enough to recreate entire characters digitally, or even bring back actors who have passed away. Future movies will be faster, more cost-effective, and visually stunning. Augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR, will let audiences interact with movies. You won't just watch a film, you'll experience it. Today we explored the magic behind Hollywood movies: CGI, VFX, motion capture, AI, simulation, practical effects, and future tech. These tools don't just make movies amazing, they change how films are made. Which technology impressed you the most? CGI, MoCap, or practical effects? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Hollywood and tech content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.